Hello everyone, welcome to this workout session with me, Carla Léonard on Fit Life 509. I am very excited to bring you this workout today because I'm going to have a session of exercises that I really love. I really love kickboxing. No need to be worried, don't worry when you hear kickboxing because it will be easy. It will just like a cardio workout and accompanied with kicking, punching. It will be very easy, don't worry. It's nothing that you cannot do. And we will have so much fun together. When I can't work out and I don't really feel like working out, I do kickboxing to get to work out because my brain loves it, my mind loves it. So I have the feeling that I'm just having fun. It's not like I'm working out or I am putting effort in it because mostly I enjoy it. So I recommend you do the same. When you don't feel like working out, do something that you love, for example, dancing or some type of workouts that you really like so that you don't feel like you are struggling or you are making efforts to do something. You will feel like you're having fun. It will be just fun for you. So we are going to start. But before we start, we are going to take some time to breathe, to calm down, and we say to ourselves, I'm going to have this workout session and every part of my body will like it. Every muscle of mine will like it. Even if it's hard, I can do it and I will do it. And you breathe. And we are ready to start. But before we go, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with your friends, with your network, so that you can encourage us to do better. And also, don't forget to make suggestions in your comments, okay, so that we can improve the workout. So now we are going to warm up and stretch, okay? Because we are going to use the arms and the legs a lot. So we need to stretch and warm them up. Okay? So we are just rolling up our arms, okay? And our shoulders. It's really good for the back, the upper back and the shoulders and also the chest. Okay, to push up the boobs. It's really good. Okay, now we twist to the right and to the left. Okay, today's moves are gonna be very easy. Okay, so now let's stretch the legs to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. One last time. Okay, up. Let's twist the ankles. To the inner way. We change foot. The other way. Okay, we are ready to start. I told you I'm getting good at dancing. Okay, let's start. Easy peasy. all the exercises will be easy. So don't worry, let's get it started. Let me put sideways, okay? We are not going deep down on the lunges, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Two more to go. Okay, it's good. I'm starting to feel the legs. Let's change. Get ready. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Woo! That was good. Second exercise. We are going to kick 10 on each leg. Okay, we stay on the same leg. Okay, kick, kick, kick. 4, 5. Okay, 8, 9, 10. Easy kicks. Let's change. Okay, and now we are just going to repeat this first set 2 more times. First exercise. Four, 6, 'I feel it. If you don't feel it, you're not doing it well. Let's change. 5, 6, 6, 6. Woohoo! It's good. Second exercise, kicks. Get ready, go. Two more to go. And let's repeat the set one last time. Let's breathe for 5 seconds. I really like it. Get ready, go. I move on one leg only. The last one. Woo! Now the other leg. One, two, two more to go. Now, let's go for the kicks. Go. Let's change. Three more to go. Now let's take a break of 20 seconds and we come back for the second set. Okay, second set, 3 exercises that we are going to repeat 3 times. First exercise, modification. We go each side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can just walk or you had the hop. For the modification, even if you walk, you can go quick. Okay? You don't jump, but you can go quick. Let's go. The right hand and the right foot move at the same time. It's like shuffle. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One last time. It's not hard. Second exercise. 3 jumps, 1 squat. On 4, we squat. In defense position, or as a modification, you can just squat. Simple squat. Three, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, squat. 1, 2, 3, squat. One last time. See? It's not that hard. Third exercise. You are doing 5 on each leg. Jab, cross, turn. That's why I had you do this as a warm-up exercise to prepare the obliques. 1, 2, jab, cross, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and return at 5. 5 reps on each side. 3, 2, 1, go. Jab, cross, turn. Jab, cross, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I said we were gonna do 5, but we did 6. We need to do 6 the other side too. Now we are going to repeat the set. First move, jabs. 3, 2, 1, go. Second exercise, 3 jump, 1 squat. 3, 2, 1, get ready, go. Remember, modification, you do simple squats. Third exercise. One, two, three, four, five. Let's change. Jab, cross, turn. Jab, cross, turn. It's so good. I really hope that you are enjoying it just as I do. Let's repeat the set one last time. Okay? Modification. We walk. Advance. We hop. Second exercise. 3 jump, 1 squat. A simple squat as modification. If you cannot jump. Last exercise. Get ready. Go. You see, kickboxing is workout. Let's change. Jab, cross, turn. Second set is already over. Let's breathe before we start the last set. Okay, third set, only 2 exercises and it's over. The first exercise. If you cannot jump, that's the modification. Okay? But if you can, you add that little jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick. We are going to alternate, one to the left and one to the right. We are doing 5 on each side. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick. It's really good to help you have coordination in your moves. That's what I like the most about kickboxing. Because there's a lot of combinations in it. Okay, last exercise. We touch the floor on each squat. We are doing only 8 reps. Get ready, go. And voila! Okay, let's repeat the set. Let's do it again. First exercise, combo. Okay, now we squat and touch the floor. Legs are wide open. Only one more rep on the last set to go. Okay? Let's breathe 5 seconds. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. One last time. On each leg. And 8 last squats. Okay, get ready, go with all your might. That is to recover, to breathe. Oh, I did 10. Sorry, not sorry. It's good. And now it's time to cool down. Okay, let's breathe. We inspire at the top and we expire at the bottom. We go up, we breathe in. We go down, we breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. It's good. Let's relax. Let's go back to center. Now let's stretch the hamstrings. Let's change. Again. One last time. Now let's stretch the triceps. Okay. Change. Was good. So good so far. Slowly. Let's dance it out. That's some Brazilian move. No. I really enjoyed being with you today to bring you this wonderful session. I really loved it. And I hope that it makes you sweat just like it did to me. So try new things, guys. Don't be worried to try new things, because doing the same thing every day can become boring very fast. So you should open yourself to new experiences, okay? So that you can sustain your exercising routine. Okay, next session will come soon, so stay with us on this channel. Okay, subscribe so that you can know in advance when there is an upcoming session. And guys, you can follow me on Instagram at FitLife509 to that's where I really share what I do every day, like my routine, those workouts that I do on my own at home. Okay, check my Instagram, FitLife509, and that's where you can keep in touch with me too. Okay, and make sure that you do some good exercise, that you do the moves very well, even though it's only for 5 minutes. Here we bet on quality over quantity. Don't worry about doing a lot of reps, but just make sure that you do them well. Okay, drink water, eat clean, and sleep. Have enough sleep. Okay, between 6 to 8 hours. It will be very good for you. And in your eating habits, avoid too much flour, sugar, salt, oil. Okay, stay safe and come back for next session. Okay, on this channel. It was with you, Carla Léonard. I love you. Bye.